Imagine a machine so powerful, so precise, that it turns every road into your personal racetrack. The 2025 BMW X5 M isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A masterpiece of engineering that fuses luxury with sheer, unrelenting power. But is it the ultimate high-performance SUV or just another badge flex? Let's break it down. Under the hood lies the heart of a beast. A 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing out a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar-level performance in a family-friendly package. 0 to 60, a mind-blowing 3.7 seconds. Just imagine pulling up at a stoplight next to a sports car, only to leave it in the dust with an SUV. The all-wheel drive system with BM's xDrive technology ensures that power is never wasted. It grips, it launches, it dominates. And let's not forget the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, shifting so fast and smooth, it feels almost telepathic. But here's the real question, does all that power translate into a thrilling driving experience, or is it just brute force with no finesse? Stick around because what I'm about to reveal might surprise you. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams performance luxury. M Sport seats wrap around you like a racing harness, finished in merino leather with contrast stitching that exudes premium craftsmanship. The 14.9-inch curved display seamlessly integrates the digital gauge cluster and infotainment, giving you all the data you need at a glance. And let's talk about that M-specific head-up display. It projects speed, revs, and shift indicators right onto the windshield, keeping your eyes locked on the road. But here's where it gets interesting. Ambient lighting that changes based on driving mode, a crystal shift lever that looks like it belongs in a concept car, and an optional Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. The question is, does all this technology enhance the driving experience, or is it just overcomplicated gadgetry? You'll want to hear this. Performance is one thing, but handling is where the X5 M sets itself apart. It's not just about straight-line speed, it's about control, precision, and confidence at every turn. The adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled dampers ensures that whether you're carving through canyons or cruising on the highway, the ride is dialed in for maximum performance. And here's where it gets wild, M Dynamic Mode. This feature loosens the stability control just enough to let you slide the rear end while still keeping you in control. Imagine an SUV that lets you drift, yes, drift, on command. But with great power comes great responsibility. And with a curb weight of over 5,300 pounds, is the X5 M as agile as it claims? Let's find out. Technology in the X5 M is more than just convenience, it's an arsenal of driving intelligence. BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, voice commands that actually work, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make connectivity seamless. The M Mode button allows you to toggle between road, sport, and track settings, adjusting throttle response, steering weight, and even the aggressiveness of the exhaust note. Speaking of exhaust, the quad tailpipes deliver an intoxicating growl that turns into a full-blown roar when you unleash the V8. But not everything is perfect. With all these advanced features, does the X5 M still maintain that raw, unfiltered driving experience BMW is known for, or is it becoming too refined for its own good? The answer might shock you. Safety meets performance in a way that's rare for high-powered SUVs. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, and BMW's semi-autonomous driving mode make long-distance travel effortless. But let's be honest, if you're behind the wheel of an X5 M, you're not here to let the car do the driving for you. The question is, do these features enhance or dilute the experience of piloting a high-performance machine? And more importantly, is there a balance between letting technology assist and keeping the driver in full control? The next part will put things into perspective. Fuel efficiency and practicality, two things not often associated with high-performance SUVs. But BMW has managed to blend power with reasonable efficiency, thanks to its mild hybrid system. You're looking at around 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 on the highway. Not exactly eco-friendly, but let's be real, you're not buying an X5 M to save at the pump. Cargo space remains generous, and despite its aggressive nature, the X5 M is still a luxury SUV at heart. You can load up the trunk, fit the family comfortably, and still have a vehicle that turns every drive into an event. But here's a question to consider, is the X5 M the perfect blend of performance and daily usability, or does it compromise too much on one end of the spectrum? The answer is more nuanced than you think. Customization is where the X5M truly lets owners make a statement. A variety of paint options, from classic alpine white to bold Marina Bay blue, ensure that your SUV stands out. Interior trims, from carbon fiber to fine wood, allow you to personalize every detail. And then there's the competition package, taking everything up a notch with track-focused enhancements. But is all this customization worth the extra cost, or does the X5M already offer everything you need straight out of the box? The decision isn't as simple as it seems. At the end of the day, the 2025 BMW X5 M is a machine built for those who demand performance without compromise. It's a vehicle that blends brute force with refinement, aggression with intelligence. But is it the ultimate performance SUV, or does it face competition that pushes the boundaries even further? And most importantly, is this the SUV that redefines what it means to drive? That's for you to decide. Now, if you think mastering the road is exciting, imagine mastering your finances with the power of compounding. The road to wealth isn't so different from the road to high performance, it's all about momentum. Click on the next video to discover how compounding can transform your financial future. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe, because this journey is just getting started.